Today I'm visiting West London and I'm getting off the tube here at Warwick Avenue. It's probably one of London's quietest stations, and I'm specifically here to come and draw the community of Little Venice. Really, when I say community, I mean two communities, and the first one is this one here down on the Regents Canal. It's a curious piece of rural England that seems to plough through the metropolis, which is London. Although there is tourism, most of these boats and barges are fully residential and don't really go very far. That said, if you're feeling a bit adventurous, you can motor away and eventually find yourself in Leicester or Birmingham. And the other community I'm here to look at is the more conventional bricks and mortar community, and a very grand one. And I imagine here this is a bit more akin to London and not quite as sedate as it is on the canal, and a bit noisier too. And it's the difference in these communities that make Maida Vale so interesting, so I try and find a spot where I can capture both within a single image. And here is my chosen scene, and the gods of art must be on my side, because not only is it not raining, it's exactly what I wanted. And I quickly settle in to do one of my small drawings, which already I'm planning to do as a large painting later on, so let's just keep it simple for the moment. As I'm working, I'm wondering to myself, do the canal people mix with the house people? I like to think they do. I wonder if they invite each other to parties and get out on the street on New Year's Eve. Whatever the situation, it seems like a fascinating place to live. There always seems to be something going on. At this stage I was happy with the basics of the drawing and definitely had something ready for a larger painting back in the studio. I really enjoyed my afternoon in Maida Vale. I've painted here quite a few times now, and it's always well worth a visit. I'll definitely return. That's it for today. Many thanks for watching.